Yes, here I am. Well, I'm making this video on the terrace because I was not feeling good in my room. So I came on the terrace and here I am. Well, if you really think of leaving this video at the mid, then forget it because you will definitely regret at the end. In this video, we must be talking about some of the different vocabularies about death. Yes, it is a dark topic, but you will definitely have some different vocabularies about death in this video. Well, you may have heard there is a one word is die. It means marna. But there are others also which have the same meaning of marna. When they come in any book or any article and you read them, then you have to find them in the dictionary. But if you watch this video, you won't have any need to find them in the dictionary because you will already be knowing them. Alright, so I want you to be staying with this video till the end, and if you don't find these words attractive, then dislike this video, put the bad comment in the comment section, and don't watch my other videos ever. But if you really love this video, then put the comment, nice comment, and like this video. Alright, so let's jump into this video and let's learn some new words.
But one thing that I can assure you is you will love this class, because in this class you will have a lot of good vocabularies. So the very first word is die a poor man. It means a person who couldn't earn money and he has died poorly. The second one is pass away. It has the same meaning, means die. My grandfather passed away in 2017. Third is departed. Same meaning, to die, right? There are a lot of meaning to die, departed. So Sushant Singh Rajput has departed this life. The next word is gone to the last resting place. Same meaning, to die. He has gone to his last resting place. Next is kick the bucket. This is one of my favorite words, kick the bucket. And there is one of my students, he uses this word a lot. His name is Pankaj, right? In the live class. So kick the bucket, it means to die in a funny way, right? So you want me to kick the bucket so that you can live on my property, huh? The next word is, this is my favorite line of today's class. You will give up the ghost if I box your ears. It means if I slap you, you'll die. Hindi is written over there. The next is at death's door. Same meaning, to die because of disease. She is at death's door. Next is cut down in prime. It means somebody dies in a very early age. So he has cut down in his prime. Untimely death. It means unfortunate death of somebody. Like we can take the example of Sushant Singh Rajput. So Sushant Singh Rajput has met an untimely death. The next is perish in a fire accident. It means when somebody dies in the accident of fire, so that is called perish. A dozen of people perished in a fire accident. Next is starved to death. Because of not having anything for a long time, somebody dies, then we call it starved to death. There are a lot of people in India who starve to death every year. Next, die of thirst. It means when somebody is not able to have water, he dies. That is called a die of thirst. We are dying of thirst. Please give us some water. Next is choke to death. It means when somebody chokes your neck and you go to sleep, that is called choke to death. So he was choked to death. You know whom I'm talking about. Martyr. It means the person who dies for the nation. Next is tribute. I gave a musical tribute to Sushant Singh. Yes, I sang a song. It is on my YouTube channel. Funeral. When you go to see of the dead person, that is called funeral. Next is cremate. Cremate means to burn the body. And there are some words I have taken out. First is graveyard, that is kabristan. Second, funeral, procession, janaza. Third is grieve, it means matam manana. Next is condolence, sahanubhuti prakat karna, the family whom son or daughter whatever died. Pyre, it means chita. coffin, taboot, shroud, kafan, ashes, अस्थियाँ, राख, mortuary, सब रखने का स्थान, स्पेशली इन हॉस्पिटल्स, टूम, किसी महान पुरुष की कब्र, लाइक जयराम सर, shrine, dargah. So my dear friends, these were the words which I taught you in today's class. I hope you love this video, and please put the comment in the comment section and share this video. Bye bye, take care.